Hi, Yellow Group. This is your spelling list for this week and next week. You will need to get 3 different colored pencils. So go ahead and pause the video, go grab 3 colored pencils from your art bag, and then come back. Your pattern this week has to do with the letter A. You are either going to find a short A, like the sound ah, like in cat, or you're going to have a long A, like the A in ache. So short A makes the ah sound, long A makes the A sound. It says its name. And you do have some oddballs, so you'll need a third color for that. Okay, go ahead and take your first colored pencil. We're going to circle or shade in this first pattern. This A with the little curve above it, that means it's a short A, like in cat. So you're looking for words that have the ah sound in it. For example, mad. Do you hear the ah? Mad. Glass. I hear the ah sound. Make, no, I hear an A. Fast, yep, I hear the ah in fast. And, that's a little weird. And, I don't hear the ah, but I don't hear the A. What? No. Get 8, I hear the A. Snap, oh, I hear the ah. Last, I hear the ah. Age. Now I hear an A. Aim. What ale. Bat. I hear the ah. Bat. Grass. I hear the ah. Face. No. Name. I hear the A. Rake. Ask. Ah. If you say them out loud, your mouth makes a different, it moves differently. Aim. Made, sack, like your mouth has to open all the way, sack. So I hear lots of A's, the short A, ah. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cat doesn't count, that's your pattern. So I'm gonna come up here and write a number 9 up here so that you have 9 short A sounds. All right, let's go ahead and change colors. And go ahead and circle our next pattern or shade in the long A. The A with the line over it means that it's a long A, so you can hear its name. Ache. I hear the A. Ache. Look at this one. Ache. I hear the A in it. Make. And it's still weird. No. What? No. Get 8. Oh, I hear the A. Get 8. Age. A, I hear the A. Aim, I hear the A. What ale, yep, I hear the A. Face, yep, I hear the A in there. Aim, I hear the A. Ache, yep, I hear the A. Aim, I hear the A. And made, I hear the A. Are you noticing that all of these words with the long A, look at their ending. All of them end with an E. That makes the A say its name, A. All right, how many long A's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cake doesn't count because that's your pattern word up here. So I'm gonna put a 10 up here. Okay, and we need one more color, and this is going to be our oddball up here. These are the ones that don't make the ah or the A sound. For example, what? It has an A in it, but it doesn't make the ah. It doesn't say what at, and it doesn't make the long A, what ate. So it's an oddball. What? Same thing with and. I hear the ah. It's not an ah, but it's not an A. So I would say hand and is an oddball. So we have 2 oddballs. Okay, make sure yours is color coded. You don't have to use the same colors as me. And now take a picture of your list. It's color-coded. These are your patterns. Take a picture of your list. Your list should go home so that you can study at home. And then this picture will be on your iPad so you can study here at school. Okay, yellow group, good luck.